Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the job order lookup active job list option along with the set filter option to narrow down the list by NADCAP certified active job list to generate a report, and also with the option to export the report to an Excel file. Okay, so here are the steps. We're going to go into job orders, look up job orders. And in this example, we have a few. Let's go ahead and open them up. Okay, so for let's say job number 1490 right here, it's active because completed column is not flagged as Y, and we're going to go into the certificate and make sure that the NADCAP cert is checked, and we can check the field name as well by right-clicking on the field that's currently in focus. It shows us that the field name is NADCAP. Okay, so this is checked, and we save that. Okay, let's do another one. So 1490, and let's also check 1492, so we know at least that we have two active job lists because it's not completed. Right here, it's not completed, and the NADCAP certificate is checked. Okay, again, we can check the field name by right-clicking on the currently selected field to confirm the name. We're going to need this name as part of our filter selection. Okay, so I'm going to leave this checked, save this. And from the job order lookup screen, we can select the set filter. And the first criteria that we want to select is the completed. So we want to have active only, right? Completed, and so we can say not equal. It's not equal to Y because we want everything that's active, and we want to add another condition because we look up the name. The field name is NADCAP, and it's set to be true. To true. Okay, and we're going to apply the filter and minimize this. Here we are. We have the two that we know that we set the NADCAP to true, 1490 and 1492. Okay, so now we have the filter list of the active job lists that are NADCAP certified. At this point, we can do a print list, and we have other videos to show you how to select the different column for the print list option as well. For example, if we want to export all the columns, we can simply select this, or we want to select only a certain columns for our reporting, we can unselect first and then just check off only the columns that we need to export to Excel, for example. Okay, and let's say we want to contain the company name, part number, contain a part description, the quote number, customer code, company name, and customer number. Okay, and of course you can save the layout by clicking on save. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and do a data view. Okay, so these are the columns that have been exported for the active job list that are part of the NADCAP certification selection. Okay, and at this point I can export to Excel and give it like a name, print list report, job card. Let's say active NADCAP. Excuse me, change that again. Job orders. Okay, and let's export to Excel. Open it. And so this is our list of NADCAP active job lists. Okay, for all active jobs. Another option with the set filter is we can narrow it down by date. Let me go ahead and preview this too. So if you want to have a PDF file, you can generate a preview and export to PDF. Okay, now save this layout. Job card NADCAP orders. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Now let's say if we only want to get the list for August of 2022 only. Okay, in addition to being active and part of the NADCAP list. So we just want to get these 2 entries only and not all the 4 or 5 entries that we have. So we can certainly go back to set filter and repeat the process. So completed not equal to, okay, so not equal to Y, and NADCAP is true. Okay, and we can also add the date range. For date received, you can see date received here. So we can see date received is greater than or equal to, let's say, August 1st. We can do August 1st. Oh, sorry. And date received less than or equal to August 31st. Apply. So you notice currently we have 2, 4, 5 entries, but if we apply this new filter, we have only 2. And once again, once we have the updated filter list, we can do a print list. Minimize this dialog first. So now we can go ahead and click on print list, and we should be able to load the previously saved layout, this layout here, to only include the columns that we need for the export or the reporting. So now if we do a preview, we should only get 2 entries on this report as shown, and we should also be able to do a data view and export it to Excel. Once again, we can do active NADCAP job orders for August 2022. And here we are. We should have the report listing with just 2 entries. Okay, so that concludes the video on how to use the set filter to select NADCAP active job lists only. Thank you for watching.